So in the last lecture, bache, we revised so many functions: sum, max, min, average today. Then we discussed product also, count, round. So you can see I have applied here the function. This is the round function. Now look at the formula bar. Look at the formula bar. Equal to round J25, 3. J25 means the content is in the J25. This is the J25 where I have calculated the percentage. Now it's coming 92.33333, right? But if I want it to be after decimal, I want only 3 digits. So I have applied the formula equal to round J25, 3. Means after decimal, 3 digits will be there. Now in the next, you can see I have applied J26, 2. Means after decimal, only 2 digits should be there. So that's why 2. Round function clear enough? So here I have calculated the max. Here the minimum function equal to min F25 colon F29. Then average equal to average F25 colon F29. And then at last I have calculated the count function. So same way you can apply the product also. So let it be product. Now what will be the formula you will apply? Equal to product. Values that you want to product. For example, I want to multiply the marks of English. So F25 colon F29. This is just I'm giving you the example how to apply the product function. Okay. So all the numbers has been multiplied and this is the result that we got. Now after that, bache, in your book the topic is there how to apply the functions. अभी तक मैंने जितने भी formulas या functions लगाए that is manually. I am writing myself. Equal to लगा के मैं formula बना रही थी या मैं equal to लगा के function बना रही थी. I am myself applying the formulas. Now you are having the options. Under the home tab you can see home tab के अंदर the button is auto sum. Look at the screen. Home tab, auto sum button. Under the auto sum button there are number of functions: sum, average, count, max, min. So various functions are available under the auto sum button. So auto sum helps you to automatically apply the function and the arguments will be passed. Now auto sum button is also present under the formulas tab. Formulas tab, function library group, auto sum button. It displays the result of the simple calculation, whatever the formula we will be choosing. So see, this is the first method where I'm using equal to sum. जहाँ पे मैं खुद बना रही हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे खुद एक function लगा रही हूँ and I'm calculating F25 colon H25. So यहाँ पे मैंने खुद ने एक function लगाया है. I have myself applied the function. Now the second way you can see, second method, that is using the auto sum button from the home tab. See, under the home tab the button is auto sum. Now you have to choose the function name here. जोन सा भी आपने function use करना है, whichever the function you want to choose, you have to directly choose it from this, right? For example, if I'm choosing a function sum here or max here, so see, the range is automatically there, but you can change the range accordingly that you want to specify. For example, if I'm giving F25 to F29 and then press enter. So clear, auto sum is clear. Under the auto sum आप खुद एक function नहीं लगा रहे हो, आप वहां से function directly pick कर रहे हो, और जब आप function वहां से pick करते हो, automatically the values will be there, the arguments will be there. Now under the formulas tab again, the auto sum button is given. So again going on to the formulas tab, function library group, auto sum button. Under the auto sum button you can choose the function name. For example, now if I want to take the average, तो मैंने वहां से average select किया. आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग द एवरेज द फॉर्मूला इज ऑटोमेटिकली फॉर्मुलेटेड, अपने आप वहां पे फंक्शन बन गया. सो यू कैन चेंज द रेंज इफ यू वांट टू स्पेसिफाई. सो आई एम चेंजिंग द रेंज नाउ F25 to F29. क्लियर? ऑटो सम बटन क्लियर है बच्चे? एनी डाउट इन द ऑटो सम बटन टू एनीवन? यस रिशिता.
यस मैम, मैंने ऑटो सम में नहीं मैम, जो आपने कल एक करवाया था ना टुडे मैम, उसमें आपने कहा था कि हमने टुडे लिख के ब्रैकेट में हम क्या लिखेंगे फिर आगे?
You just have to put the brackets only. See, I'm writing equal to today brackets, then press enter, so you will get today's date. आज 27th है ना,
ओके मैम.
तो देखो मैंने लगाया
यस.
equal to today brackets, pressing the enter and I will get the current date. Okay.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
So
यस मैम.
मैनुअली फंक्शंस कैसे लगाने हैं, ऑटो सम से कैसे पिक करने हैं, दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. मैनुअली फर्स्ट जो मैं खुद लगा रही थी, मैं खुद बना रही थी, दैट इज द फर्स्ट मेथड. सेकंड मेथड आई हैव टोल्ड यू फ्रॉम द होम टैब और फ्रॉम द फॉर्मूलाज टैब यू कैन टेक द ऑटो सम बटन. ऑटो सम बटन के अंदर देयर आर फंक्शंस दैट यू कैन यूज. आपने जिस फंक्शन को भी यूज करना है, सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड अ पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन विल बी इनेबल्ड. थर्ड मेथड, नाउ लुक एट द थर्ड मेथड. Third method is this fx button. Fx button is insert function button. So when you will click on the insert function button, so insert function button is present under formulas tab. Formulas tab function library group में देखो insert function button is present. So clicking on the insert function button, insert function dialog box will appear. क्या ओपन हो जाएगा? Insert function dialog box. Now select the function that you want to use. यहाँ से for example now if I want to choose average, so I'm selecting the average, or if you want to choose the count, select the count from the function dialog box. Now click on OK. It will ask you for the range कि आपने जो count function use करना है वो किस range पे use करना है. So inside this I will apply the range. So for example, I'm giving the range F25 colon F29. तो मैंने यहाँ पे range दे दी. अब आप डायरेक्टली देखो सेल में फंक्शन अपने आप बन गया. इक्वल टू काउंट F25 colon F29. ऑटोमेटिकली द रेंज इज डिफाइंड. रेंज अपने आप बन गई है वहां पे. क्लियर है? इंसर्ट फंक्शन से ऑटो सम में क्या हो रहा था, हम डायरेक्टली फंक्शन चूज करते थे, वहां पे रेंज भी अपने आप आ रही थी. बट इंसर्ट फंक्शन बटन में पहले हम फंक्शन चूज करते हैं. आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग द फंक्शन देन वी स्पेसिफाई द रेंज. हम उसके बाद क्या स्पेसिफाई करते हैं? रेंज स्पेसिफाई करते हैं. सो क्लिक ऑन दिस. नाउ द सेम फॉर्मेटिंग आई वांट टू अप्लाई. सो दिस वे आई कैन कैलकुलेट द functions using the insert function button that is available under the formulas tab. Any doubt in the insert function or auto sum? Yes बच्चे, reply me.
यस मैम, आपके ना पहले स्क्रीन दिख नहीं रही थी, तो मैम एक बार बताना कि वो डेट कैसे आपने इंसर्ट की.
Which thing बच्चे?
मैम टुडे की डेट.
Okay, so equal to today, simply you have to write equal to today and then brackets and then press enter. So you will get the current date.
Okay.
Any doubt in the auto sum or insert function?
नो मैम.
वो सबको क्लियर है इंसर्ट फंक्शन एंड ऑटो सम?
यस मैम.
श्योर?
यस मैम.
Okay. Now next, so that's completes our chapter today, and now we have to start with the back exercises. So let me share the screen. Yes, Puranjay, you want to say something?
No.
Okay. Yes, Prerna.
मैम एक्चुअली ना मैंने वहाँ पे टुडे लिखा था लेकिन वहाँ पे एरर आ रहा है.
What thing you have written? Equal to today. Function
इक्वल
starts
टू
with.
टुडे और ब्रैकेट.
Show me your screen.
यहाँ पे ये देखो हैशटैग. यहाँ पे मैंने टुडे लिखा था लेकिन
Present
यहाँ
your
पे
screen,
error है.
बच्चे. Present your screen. You share your screen.
मैम मैं मोबाइल पे कर रहा हूँ क्लास.
Okay, you are taking the class on cell phone. Then after the
Yes,
class, send me the function pic भेज देना मेरे को, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay. So let's discuss the exercises now. Which function displays the current date? अभी हमने discuss किया.
टुडे.
Yes. So today function displays the current date. Which function displays the minimum value?
Min.
Min. Very good.
B option.
Which cell reference is an example of absolute cell reference?
Ma'am, B option.
So in absolute we have $2 signs. हमने यही discuss किया.
Signs.
So $2 signs means the B
Yes,
option,
ma'am.
that is $A, $1. To modify the formula, use dash key.
F2 key.
F2 key. Very good.
Map 2.
To modify the formula, use F2 key. A range is always separated by.
Colon.
अभी हमने range बनाई थी ना F25 colon F29. So we have applied colons. So colons separates the range of values. So MCQs are clear.
Yes मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on to the blanks now. A cell address is also known as
Cell
Reference.
cell reference. The group of adjacent cells is called
Range of cells.
Range of cells.
range of cells. A formula always begins with
Equal to sign.
Equal to sign.
a dash is a predefined formula.
Function.
Function.
is a predefined formula. Dash function returns the largest value from the set of given values.
Maximum.
तो कौन सा फंक्शन है जो लार्जेस्ट हाईएस्ट
Max.
वैल्यू हमें रिटर्न करता है? दैट इज द मैक्सिमम फंक्शन. बट द
Maximum.
फंक्शन नेम इज, फंक्शन का नेम क्या है? मैक्सिमम को रिटर्न करता है. बट व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन? दैट इज max. Yes. So the function name is max. Clear? So all the answers are clear, बच्चे?
Yes,
Sure?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next are the true false. Okay, Bhavesh wants to give answer. Combined reference is a type of cell reference.
False.
कौन कौन सी सेल
Ma'am,
रेफरेंसेस
false.
होती हैं?
Relative, absolute.
Absolute and mixed.
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 So we have three types of references, that is absolute, relative and mixed referencing. So there is no such combined reference. Clear? So that is why the answer is false. Formula always begins with exclamation sign.
Ma'am, false.
Why false?
False.
Why false?
begins with
Ma'am, because formula always begins with equal to sign.
Very good. Because the formula always begins with equal to sign.
Equal to sign.
Some function calculates the sum of values.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Sum is used to calculate or to add the values in the given range. So it's true. Min function returns the largest value from the set of values.
Ma'am, false.
That is false. क्योंकि largest value
False.
कौन return करता है?
Max.
Max.
That's
Max
why the
function.
answer is false here.
Function.
Ranges
False.
cannot be used in formula.
False.
Ranges
False.
cannot be used in formula. False. हम range लगाते हैं, हम range
False.
specify करते हैं ना? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the matching. First button is
Cancel button.
Cancel button.
Cancel button.
cancel button. That is the C part. Second one,
Enter button.
button.
Enter button.
Enter button.
tick is the enter button. That is which part?
E part.
E part. Very good. Okay.
E part.
Third one, that is FX.
Insert
function.
function.
Third function button. So
Insert
third function
function.
is the B part. Fourth one is
Auto sum.
Ma'am, auto sum.
right now we discuss the auto sum feature.
Auto
Right? अभी हमने discuss किया
Yes, ma'am.
technically also. So this is the summation button which
Yes, ma'am.
represents the auto sum. And the last one is the
autofill handle.
Autofill handle.
autofill handle with the help of which we are able to fill our entries automatically. So matchings are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें कोई doubt हो किसी को?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now the next part, write the formulas for the following. To calculate the sum of cells A1 to A6 and to display the answers in A7.
Is
Ma'am,
equals
equals to sum bracket A1 colon A6.
Okay, one at a time, one student will speak. Yes, Rishita, give the first answer.
Yes, ma'am. Equal to sign sum A1 colon A6.
But where we have to display the results?
Ma'am, A7.
So what we will write? A7 equal to sum A1 colon A6. Jashan, first answer is clear. हम A7 में फॉर्मूला लगा रहे हैं. A7 equal to sum A1 colon A6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Second part. To find the average of cells C3 to F3 and to write the answer in G3. Who will tell?
is
Just
equals
raise your
to
hand.
average.
One at a
Ma'am,
time.
equals to average.
Okay, Harjeet.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
Ma'am, second one.
Yes. What will be the formula here? अगर एवरेज निकालनी है तो एवरेज के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन होता है? हमने कल डिस्कस किया था क्लास में. Which function is used to calculate the average? फंक्शंस कौन कौन से करें ये बताओ चलो. Let me see कितना अटेंटिव हो क्लास में.
Ma'am, today sum
Yes, yes.
maximum
Maximum function क्या है?
maximum max min sum product average.
तो फिर मैं यही तो पूछ रही हूँ एवरेज निकालने के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन होता है. अभी आप कह रहे हो एवरेज. एंड अर्लियर यू सेड कि पता नहीं मुझे कौन सा फंक्शन एवरेज निकालने के लिए.
Ma'am, average.
एवरेज. और क्वेश्चन में रेंज क्या दी हुई है? C3 to
Ma'am, 3 to 5 3 F3.
C3 to F3. तो आप इसको कैसे लिखते हो रेंज को?
Equals to average bracket C3 colon F3.
So what was the difficult in that? मेरे को बताओ. पहले ही क्वेश्चन देख के हेजिटेट करना स्टार्ट हो जाते हो, ट्राई भी नहीं करते हो. It was so simplified, so simpler to tell. What you have to tell? Question में it's given, you have to tell the average. So average means we will be using the average function. Range is already given, that is C3 to F3. और हमें पता है जब हम range बनाते हैं ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं C3 colon F3. And where we have to give the results in the G3, we will be on the left side. So G3 equal to average C3 colon F3. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anyone else? Answer is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको क्लियर है? किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है सेकंड पार्ट में?
No, ma'am.
Now the third one, Puranjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Third,
Ma'am,
calculate the product of the cells A1 to A4 and display in A5.
equal to sign product bracket open A1 colon A4 bracket close.
But where you have to type the result?
Ma'am, in the formula bar.
Where you have to display the result? In which cell you will be displaying?
Ma'am, A5.
तो फिर आप लेफ्ट साइड पे पहले ये नहीं लिखोगे A5 equal to product A1 colon A4. Now these three questions are to be done on fair notebook. इसके पहले हमने MCQs डिस्कस करे, blanks and matchings. Those three parts not to be discussed on the fair, not to be done on the fair notebook. But these three functions you have to write down on the fair notebook. And I'm already getting so many problems in context with the copy checking that 7C is not regular in sending the notebooks. First chapter complete हुए भी हमें 3 weeks हो गए हैं और नित्या ने अभी कल कॉपी भेजी है. And other also बहुत सारे students हैं जिन्होंने अभी तक notebook दी नहीं है first chapter की. So if you will not send the notebook for checking now, I will not give you any internal assessment then. So make
Excuse me,
sure
ma'am.
you will be very much regular while sending the notebooks and send your notebooks according to your turn. Hanji Ganav, this was already informed that you have to send the notebooks for checking to Aditya sir. Is it clear?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, जो मेरी एक्सेल विंडो है ना, उसमें ना जब मैं टुडे फंक्शन अप्लाई करती हूँ तो वो एरर दिखाता है.
आप मेरे को पिक बाद में सेंड करना आफ्टर द पीरियड. मे बी यू आर अप्लाइंग द रॉन्ग वैल्यूज. You have to write equal to today, then bracket and then enter. Okay. Now
Okay, ma'am.
to the question answers. So these questions are also to be done on the fair copy along with the previous three formulas. What do you mean by formula? Give examples. Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, formulas are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication.
And you have to give examples also.
मैम फॉर्मूला मैम एडिशन क्या है, ऐसे मैम बताना है.
Anji, the definition is correct. Formulas are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Now, what are the examples? Any example you can write?
मैम एडिशन मैम इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट A1 A4.
Okay, so you can write equal to product A1 colon A4. Second example
Yes,
you can give equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1 equal to
Yes,
A2
ma'am.
multiply by B2 multiply by C2. So any cell references and operators you can define any formula.
Yes, ma'am.
First answer is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is cell reference and give its types? Kanav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the cell addresses in a formula are known as cell reference. Example types, their types are relative cell reference, mixed cell reference, absolute cell reference.
Good. The answer is correct. So cell reference is a cell addresses in the formula, and the types of cell references are absolute, relative, and mixed referencing. Okay, the third part, Suhana. Suhana, are you there?
Functions are,
What is a
yes,
function?
ma'am.
Name some functions.
Functions are the predefined formulas in Excel. Some functions are sum, product, today, round, average.
Yes, but when you will specify the function name ना, you will not say it like this. जब आपने function name लिखना है, तो आप पूरा का पूरा function name देंगे. For example, you will write like this, equal to, and you have to write the function name like this, equal to sum और साथ में bracket, because this is the correct syntax for writing the function. So functions are the predefined formulas in Excel, and then some functions. So you can write any functions, sum, max, min, but लिखना इस तरह से आपको syntax. Equal to, max, min, then bracket. Okay? This is the correct way for writing. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख दोगे अकेला sum, max, min, count, average, product. Proper syntax starting with equal to sign, then function name, then the brackets. Is it clear? Now the next is, what are the two buttons present on the formula bar? What are the
Can I
buttons? Hanji. What are the two buttons present on the formula bar? The two buttons are?
cancel and enter button?
So the two buttons are enter button and cancel button. So whenever you are writing enter button, so you will tick, because we know na enter button क्या symbolize करता है? Tick mark. And the cancel button, that is cross. So you will write enter, inside the bracket you will put tick, and then cancel, and inside the cancel within the brackets you will put cross button. Is it clear, बच्चे? Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So fourth answer is clear.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
coming on to the fifth part, the last question, explain the auto sum feature in Excel.
Ma'am, can I answer?
हाँ जी बच्चे.
Ma'am, AutoSum feature is the feature
Anybody else? Who will give the answer? Bani?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain the auto sum feature.
Ma'am, AutoSum
Yes, ma'am.
feature contains various mathematical functions to perform different operations directly.
Good. So auto sum feature contains various mathematical functions to perform different operations directly. So now coming on to the last part, that is the application based questions given on page number 25. Come on to that. Come on to the last part, application based questions. So Rita wants to find the maximum and minimum marks among the students. So which function you will suggest her to use in order to accomplish the task? अगर maximum and minimum marks निकालने हैं तो आप कौन सा function suggest करोगे? Which function you will suggest in order to find the maximum and minimum marks?
Ma'am, max and min.
Yes, for finding the maximum marks, the function name should be max, and for the minimum marks, the function name should be min. Okay, so max function and min function for the maximum and the minimum task respectively. Last question, calculate the profit of 10% on the salary of rupees 20,000. So that means 10% of 20,000 निकालना है आपको, तो क्या लगाओगे? 10 divided by 100, this is 10%. 10% का मतलब क्या होता है? 10 divided by 100 into salary. Salary आपको given है 20,000. So formula will be equal to brackets के अंदर 10 divided by 100 bracket close into 20,000. I have sending you the answer in the chat box, so you can cross check it out. 10% का मतलब होता है बच्चे 10 divided by 100, and we know that function starts from equal to sign. So equal to bracket के अंदर 10 divided by 100 bracket close multiply. Multiply means asterisk sign we will write. Multiply by salary. Salary is given 20,000. So multiply 20,000. Got the answer? Yes. Got the answer, बच्चे? Okay. Now complete your copies well on time.